If you're getting started with UGC, I have some tips for your portfolio, and I really hope they help because they really helped me. So the first tip that I have is to put your navigation on your page. If you use Canva, you can do this by going to preview, so preview your website, and then at the top it will say with or without navigation. It makes it easier for brands to get to whatever page they want to get to. The next tip that I have is to make sure your links are clickable. And so what I mean by that is to make sure your Instagram goes to your Instagram page, your email goes to new email. Like, it makes it easier for the brands again because they're going through thousands of portfolios a day and they don't want to be searching for your contact information. The last tip that I have is to put your previous work on the second page of your portfolio. I don't remember who told me this, but thank you. I feel like it is a good idea to have your stuff on the second page because again, brands are going through thousands of emails a day. They don't want to be scrolling all the way down to your work because I had my previous work on like one of the last pages. So I feel like that was really helpful to have it on the second page. I hope these tips help and make sure you follow for more because I will be posting more tips.